Hey guys, this is a quick unbox of this Roku camera. So it's an indoor camera SE, okay? So I got it from Amazon. Let me just unbox it so you see what's inside. So here, gonna cut this box and open it up. There we go. Let me just remove this from the box and then you can see what's inside. There we go, okay? So here I have the package. Let me just open it up. And here I have some quick start guide. I'm gonna take a look at this later. And here is the cable. So USB-A, the regular USB, right? To micro USB. It's not USB-C, but that's okay, right? It comes with the power brick, so I can use it to connect to the camera and power the camera. And here's the camera itself. It's just like the Wise camera. It looks like a Wise camera because they're partners, right? And here you have this thing that you can use for installation. And here the camera itself. Let me just open it up. There we go. Remove this plastic here. And that's the camera. It's a small one. You see, there's a plastic here as well to protect the lens. Let me just remove it. There we have it. And I can just extend this part that way. So basically, I can put the camera this way. And I can position the camera the way I want, right? Pretty good. And also here you have the cable. It comes here that way. Let me just there you go. Okay, so you just need to connect your cable here, then you connect to power and you're good to go. So it's just a small camera that works with your Roku TV and also with your cell phone. All right, so that's just a quick unbox. I hope you like it. You can get yours on Amazon.